Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to mirror. As example, I will create this object, and then the second we create the half subfield, this face, then a group. And if you want to mirror this object, you can select the objects and then click these icons mirror. Now you can see you can mirror in this axis X, Y axis, or you can mirror in a Z axis. For example, I will mirror in X axis, you can click, object will be automatically mirror. You want to duplicate the mirror, you can click the object, go to duplicate tools in here, and then you can choose mirror tools. I will mirror again in this X axis, you can click to apply, or you can move like into here. So very easy to mirror. You can select these two objects, and then I will mirror again, but first you can duplicate, and I will mirror in this Y axis, can move the selected object into, okay, can mirror in Y axis, X axis, or Z axis with these mirror tools. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to mirror. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.